Hey guys and gals out there, this is Rockin Raffi bringing you a special Lenten vegan series. During this time of year, all Orthodox Christians all over the world start the Great Lent, 40 days before Pascha, which is otherwise known as Easter. We abstain ourselves from eating any type of animal products, so it's easier just to be a vegan. Today, we will make a simple 4-ingredient candy recipe that you can do with ease. You can call it bird food, but it's actually something to sweeten up your life and take care of that sweet tooth craving that you have during this Great Lent. And yes, this is vegan, so without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get our brittle on. I can't tell you how crucial timing is at this moment. You don't want to keep your eyes off of this. You want to constantly look at it on low heat. Make sure you do not burn the sugar. You want it a light golden brown consistency. The minute you see it turning light golden brown, remove it. You're done. Very hot, so you want to make sure that you flatten it. Use another towel, make sure the towel is not wet or the steam will burn your hands. And here it is. We place it over a parchment paper and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to break the brittle. Just kidding. So the base of this ingredients is the sugar. The other dry ingredients, peanuts. Maybe you're allergic to peanuts. You can substitute it for cashews, walnuts, you name it, pecans, whatever else you need. Customize it the way you like. So this is the way to break it so that we get little chunks and pieces. So looking something like that. Crunchy, sweet. The flavor is just where it needs to be. Now, if you're looking for a salty sweet combination, then go ahead and use salted peanuts, just to add a little bit salt to it. I know some of you out there like that. This is addicting. Give me one more second. So easy to make. And just in a short period of time, in 20 minutes, you have it out, thrown on the counter, and another 20 minutes later, ready to eat. You have guests coming over, you don't know what to make, but you have nuts and sugar. Put this together, slap it together. They'll be very impressed. And we've got some more recipes coming your way, more Lenten vegan options are right around the corner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and write comments right down below. I want to hear what combination of nuts you use for this recipe. And until next time, keep on rocking!